Ever felt that your thoughts were holding you back? That nagging voice in your head filled with doubt and negativity can often overshadow our true potential. But what if I told you that you have the power to change that narrative? By rewiring your subconscious mind through positive thinking and affirmations, you can transform your life in ways you might never have imagined. Your subconscious mind is like a garden. What you plant and nurture will grow. If you continuously plant seeds of negativity and fear, that's what will flourish. Conversely, when you sow seeds of love, joy, and positivity, you create a vibrant landscape of possibility and abundance. The first step to this transformation is to become aware of your thoughts. Take a moment to observe the chatter in your mind. Are your thoughts encouraging and supportive, or are they critical and harsh? This awareness is the first step toward change. To rewire your subconscious, start by choosing positive affirmations that resonate with you. These affirmations are simple, positive statements that affirm what you want to believe about yourself. For example, saying, "I am worthy of love and happiness," can help you cultivate a mindset filled with self-acceptance and joy. Repeat these affirmations daily, especially in the morning as you start your day and at night before you sleep. This practice will help to embed these positive beliefs deeper into your subconscious. Another powerful method is visualization. Imagine your life as you want it to be, feeling the emotions associated with that vision. Close your eyes and see yourself living your dreams, whether it's a fulfilling career, a loving relationship, or a healthy lifestyle. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if you are already there. Visualization not only helps to reprogram your subconscious, but also aligns your energy with your desires, making it easier to manifest them into your reality. As you practice these techniques, it's important to be gentle with yourself. Change takes time, and it's natural to have days when you feel less positive. Acknowledge those feelings without judgment. Remind yourself that it's okay to have moments of doubt. What matters is how you respond to them. Instead of spiraling into negativity, return to your affirmations and visualizations. Each time you do, you strengthen the new beliefs you are cultivating. Surrounding yourself with positivity is another essential aspect of this journey. The energy of the people around you can influence your thoughts and feelings. Seek out those who uplift you and encourage your growth. Engage in activities that bring you joy and inspire you, whether it's reading uplifting books, listening to motivational podcasts, or spending time in nature. Fill your life with sources of positivity. This supportive environment will help reinforce the changes you are making in your mind. Journaling can also be a powerful tool in this process. Writing down your thoughts, feelings, and affirmations allows you to clarify your intentions and reflect on your progress. Consider starting each day by writing 3 things you are grateful for, along with your affirmations. This practice not only enhances your mood, but also shifts your focus to the positive aspects of your life. Over time, you will begin to notice a shift in your overall mindset. It's essential to understand that your subconscious mind is always listening. Every thought you entertain is a message you send to yourself. So be mindful of the language you use. Replace negative self-talk with loving and affirming words. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," reframe it to, "I am learning to do this." This small shift can make a significant difference in how you perceive challenges and opportunities. In moments of stress or anxiety, return to your breath. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling love and positivity and exhaling fear and negativity. This simple practice can ground you and bring your awareness back to the present moment. When you focus on your breath, you create a space for calmness and clarity, making it easier to choose positive thoughts. As you continue on this path, note that self-love is at the heart of all transformation. Treat yourself with the same kindness and compassion that you would offer to a dear friend. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small they may seem. Each step you take toward positivity is a victory worth acknowledging. Self-love is not just a concept, it's a practice. Make it a priority to engage in activities that nurture your soul and bring you joy. It's also vital to let go of what no longer serves you. This includes old beliefs, toxic relationships, and negative habits. Holding on to these can weigh you down and hinder your progress. Reflect on what you need to release in order to make space for the positive changes you desire. Imagine letting go of these burdens and embracing a lighter, more empowered version of yourself. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine can further enhance your ability to rewire your subconscious. Mindfulness encourages you to be present in each moment, fostering a deeper connection to yourself and your surroundings. Practicing mindfulness helps you to observe your thoughts without judgment, allowing you to create distance from negativity. This awareness empowers you to choose your responses consciously rather than reacting out of habit. Another powerful affirmation is, I am enough just as I am. This statement affirms your worthiness and validity. Many people struggle with feelings of inadequacy, constantly comparing themselves to others. By affirming your inherent value, you create a strong foundation for self-acceptance and love. When you truly believe that you are enough, you open yourself up to the abundance that life has to offer. As you rewire your subconscious mind, you may encounter resistance. This is normal. Change can be uncomfortable, and your subconscious may cling to old patterns. When this happens, remind yourself that discomfort is often a sign of growth. Trust in your ability to navigate this journey with grace and resilience. Be patient with yourself. Transformation is not an overnight process. It requires consistent effort and dedication. Some days may feel easier than others, and that's okay. Acknowledge your feelings and continue to return to your affirmations and positive practices. Creating a vision board can also be a helpful tool in this journey. Visual representations of your goals and dreams can serve as constant reminders of what you are working towards. As you see these images daily, you reinforce your commitment to manifesting them into reality. Fill your board with images, quotes, and symbols that inspire you and resonate with your aspirations. As you move forward in this process, it's essential to develop a deeper understanding of how your thoughts influence your reality. Consider this: every thought you entertain is a choice, and with that choice comes a consequence. This understanding empowers you to take charge of your mind. A practical way to enhance this awareness is to keep a thought diary. Each day, jot down the recurring thoughts that cross your mind. Over time, patterns will emerge, revealing areas where positivity may be lacking. This exercise not only helps you identify negative thought patterns, but also provides you with the opportunity to consciously replace them with uplifting alternatives. Creating rituals around your affirmations can also be beneficial. Establish a dedicated space in your home where you can practice your affirmations and visualizations. This could be a corner adorned with inspiring images, candles, or meaningful objects. Having a sacred space fosters a sense of commitment and helps signal to your subconscious that you are serious about this work. Consider dedicating specific times each day to visit this space, allowing yourself to fully engage in the practice. Another powerful technique is to involve your senses in your affirmations. When you recite them, visualize colors, sounds, or even scents that resonate with the feelings you want to evoke. For example, if you're affirming abundance, imagine the color green, which symbolizes growth, or the scent of fresh flowers, which brings joy. By engaging multiple senses, you create a richer experience that can penetrate deeper into your subconscious. It's also important to address any self-sabotaging behaviors that may arise as you pursue positive thinking. Sometimes as you begin to shift your mindset, old habits will try to pull you back into familiar patterns. This is a natural part of the process. When you notice these behaviors, approach them with curiosity instead of judgment. Ask yourself what triggers these actions and how they make you feel. Understanding the root causes can empower you to make more conscious choices in the future. Self-compassion plays a vital role in this journey. As you work to transform your thoughts, it's crucial to treat yourself with kindness. If you slip back into negative thinking, acknowledge it without harshness. Remind yourself that everyone has moments of struggle. Beating yourself up only perpetuates the cycle of negativity. Instead, gently redirect your focus back to your affirmations and practices. Surrounding yourself with empowering content can further bolster your efforts. Engage with books, podcasts, and videos that resonate with the principles of positive thinking and self-love. Let these resources serve as reminders of the beliefs you are cultivating. When you immerse yourself in positivity, you create a supportive environment for your transformation. Finding a mentor or joining a supportive group can also enhance your journey. Sharing your experiences with others who are on a similar path can provide encouragement and insight. Whether through social media, local meetups, or online forums, connecting with like-minded individuals can strengthen your resolve and provide new perspectives on your journey. As we conclude, it's clear that the process of rewiring your subconscious mind requires dedication, patience, and love. By choosing positive thinking and affirmations, you are setting the stage for a life filled with joy, fulfillment, and abundance. This commitment to self-improvement is a powerful testament to your belief in your own worth and potential. At this moment, I invite you to take a step back and reflect on the positive changes you can make today. Life is a series of choices, and every choice you make can lead you closer to your desired outcomes. If this message resonates with you, please consider sharing it with others. If you found value in this video, I encourage you to show your support by liking it. Your engagement helps to amplify these messages, reaching more people who might benefit from this guidance. Also, subscribing to the channel allows you to stay connected with future content designed to uplift and inspire you on your path. Consider leaving a comment about your experiences or what resonated with you the most. Sharing your thoughts not only enriches your understanding, but also fosters connection with others who may be on similar paths. Your voice matters, and it can inspire others to take action in their lives. And thank you for being here, for choosing to invest in yourself, and for embracing the power of positive thinking. Together, let's continue to explore the vast potential within us, cultivating a life filled with love, joy, and abundance. Your journey starts with a single thought, and every thought counts. So let's choose wisely and support one another as we create the lives we truly desire.